Meaning of demotivating.
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 Demotivating. Demotivating refers to the process or an event that reduces a person's motivation to do something. It often leads to a decrease in productivity, enthusiasm, and overall performance. This feeling can result from various factors such as an overwhelming workload, negative feedback, lack of recognition, a toxic work environment, or personal issues. When individuals feel demotivated, they tend to lose interest in their work, become disengaged, and may even consider quitting. Consequently, demotivation can have detrimental effects on the individual and the team's morale, leading to a decline in their performance and organizational success.